and welcome to a video that should potentially be some fun here. At least it's something new, kind of. I mean, it's a spin-off. I'm sure you already read the title. I have got the new Sephora Play SMARTS bag slash box, and I'm very excited. I did not know about this because I did not have the Sephora app installed on my phone, but one of you lovely commenters out there alerted me and asked if I was going to be reviewing this, and I was like, I don't know what that is. So I checked it out, and then I purchased it, and then I replied, of course I'm gonna review that. So thank you. I also did thank them in the comment for alerting me, don't worry. But yeah, they had this as an exclusive for the Sephora app for early access, and that's when I got it, and now it is on the Sephora website as of when I'm filming this anyways. This is $20. You do not need to be subscribed to the Sephora Play boxes in order to get this. This is not like a recurring monthly thing. This is just to grab it when you can type of a thing. It is supposed to be a $68 value in here, and it does tell you the products that you are getting inside. So there are no surprises here. We are getting some glitter from Stila, a multi-stick from Bite Beauty, the Big Bang mascara from Benefit, also an eyeliner pencil from Sephora, and then a lash enhancing serum and also a Banana Bright eye cream. Is that right? Did I remember? Sure did. And then also in this package bundle deal, you get a reusable beauty bag like they always send out in these Sephora Play bags. You also get access to an exclusive live streamed event thing showing you how to use the products. That's, I think, what I'm the most curious about. And then an informational card about all of the products, and also a Smart Pass instead of a Play Pass where you can get 50 extra Beauty Insider points if you take that into Sephora. So let's crack on into this, shall we? Yes, we shall. Okay, so, here we go. You got your box ready to play? Heck yes I am. Dig in, watch, shop, and brag. That's supposed to be what we do here. Alright, there are some little sequins already all over the place in here, so I don't know how well made this bag is. But here are all of the cards. Oh, what the heck? Seriously? This is so far away. July 15th though? Oh. Yeah, so there's about 5 or 6 little sequins in there. I don't know if you can hear that, but this is supposed to be one of those bags where it's like, you can go one way, you can go the other way. Ooh! That's so cool. I've seen dresses and stuff like this, and they had it as a little smiley face. Let's see if I can. Good on you, Sephora. This is harder than it looks. My smiley face is a little That was supposed to be a heart. Okay, well, anyways, playing aside, play because it's a Sephora Play bag. I mean, that was good. There went some more sequins. Welcome to your comprehensive guide to conquering the glitter eye trend, okay? Glitter eyes for real life. Watch your crash course. July 15th, 2018. Like, I understand wanting to give people enough time to, like, buy this before the stream, but maybe have, like, multiple streams so that the people who got early access and stuff don't have to wait so long, you know what I mean? Maybe I'm probably just being picky. I like how this is designed. You can see the product in there, and then, you know, when you flip to the next one, you can see the next product in there. I think that's really cool. And then here's the stuff. So like I said, what we get in here, we get this little mini of a Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Kitten Karma. It looks super pretty, but this also looks like a super tiny amount of product, but maybe you only need a little bit. Maybe a little goes a long way. Then you get a multi-stick from Bite. This is in the shade Rose Pearl. Ooh, that looks gorgeous. It's like a bronzy copper with rosy pink mixed in. Like, I mean pink, not like rose, but like pink. That looks pretty. Then you also get the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, a contour eye pencil 12-hour wear from Sephora. This is waterproof and it is in the shade Black Lace. There is also the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum, a 6-week supply. Ooh, that's nice. Dermatologically tested and supposed to give us longer and thicker looking lashes. Results can be seen in as little as 4 weeks with full results out in 3 months. And then you get an Ole Henriksen, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is the Truth Banana Bright Eye Cream. I remember there was a product from them in some other box. I think it was probably from a Sephora play or something, and I didn't know how to pronounce this, and someone told me that they work at a Sephora, or maybe it was an Ulta, and they said when the brand came in to like talk about their products, they told people how to pronounce it, and the first part of it is supposed to be like the second part of hula, you know, the U-L-A, Ula, so it's like Ole Henriksen? Or is it Henriksen? I listened to the first part, and clearly I forgot the second part, but either way. So now I'm conflicted, because I was gonna do a whole video, like, going through and, like, learning from them on the video, but now I'm like, should I just make my own look? I don't know. It looks like they kind of gave you little tutorials here. Let's see. So, for the Stila... I love that this one is called a subtle sparkle. I don't know, maybe to some people that's subtle, but to me, But then you could also do this two-toned twinkle that they did with the Sephora pencil that they included in here. And then they give you a little section to write your notes if you tune in to their live stream. And let's see, Bite Beauty. They showed it just, you know, smudged out on the eyelid, and then also with the Sephora collection eye pencil smudged in there. And then it shows you how to use the lash serum, which obviously I would not use when I'm about to put on makeup. Oh, cute! That's so cute! They added like a little glitter thing there where you can cut it out and use that as a lash guard. That's really cute. Oh, I really like that. You could use that for glitter fallout, or, you know, so you don't get mascara on your lids and stuff. And then also the cream that I obviously am not going to put on right now, but then let's see. They just show, you know, a couple more ways that you can use the eye pencil. Alright, so I just got things situated. I put my brows on. Now we can get a little zoomed in, not too much. I also did go ahead and put eyeshadow primer on. It was a past Sephora play that we got a Bite Beauty multi-stick in, and then I think I did a whole separate video on it, reviewing it, and I feel like I remember trying it out in that video, and I remember it needing eyeshadow primer. So I put on eyeshadow primer in any case. So I'm gonna kind of do a mix of things. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the multi-stick all over the lid, smudging out the Sephora pencil on my lash line, and then using the glitter on my lower lash line. It kind of looks like that's what they did in this one, but also kind of not. I don't know. Also, I know I'm not wearing makeup on the rest of my face. It is like almost 100 degrees outside. I think it's 97 or 98 degrees. Just not foundation day today. So let's go ahead. I'm curious to see what this looks like. Like I said, it looked really, really pretty. At least in the tube. Alright, so glide it on nice and creamy. I would say it's definitely on the sheer side, which makes sense since, you know, you're supposed to be able to use these on the lips, cheeks, and eyes. And if you're using this on the cheeks, I would assume you would want it to be sheerer. But it looks like it can be built up a little bit. It doesn't look like this is going like full-on pigment, but I still think that adds like a pretty little extra something, you know? So once it's applied, I would say this is more on the rosy side. I feel like in the stick, it looks more on the like bronzy brown side. Hint of olive in there. But I feel like on the lids, it just looks pretty much pink, right? I mean, it's really pretty. I'm kind of surprised. I feel like no matter which way I shift and go in the light, I feel like it stays pretty pink looking. It's also weird in the camera. I feel like it's making my eyes look ultra blue, but in real life it's making my eyes look ultra green. So I thought that I had this Sephora pencil. Sorry, too zoomed in. I have it in other colors, but I thought I had it in black, so I thought I was gonna be able to give this away, but I don't have it in black, so I'm going to use this. But these pencils are quite nice from Sephora. They're not like my ultimate favorites. I feel like I end up reaching for my Urban Decay and Makeup Peaks first, but I mean, look at that. It just like smudges on really nicely. Sorry, it's super hard for me to talk while I put on eyeliner. I like doing with eyeliner pencils is then taking an angled liner brush and just smudging it out. It just softens it. It does take away, some of the pigment, but you can always retrace over that. And then the excess you can kind of flick out into a super soft little wing. And so you can draw some of the pigment back on after you smudge it out. And just keep blending to your heart's content. Ta-da! Alright, and now for the Stila. I mean, it's just one of those things where it's like I can see through the tube and it just doesn't look like there's a ton of product in there, which is too bad. But we shall see. Oh, I don't know why. I guess I thought this was gonna be on a brush, but it's on a sponge. Okay, that's okay. So maybe I'm just gonna put this in my inner corners. Ooh. Now, when these first released, people on YouTube went bonkers over them, like absolutely nuts. I can see why. I mean, it's super pretty, super glittery. I'm trying to see if I can kind of blend it out a little bit. Yeah, cute. So I mean, there we go. Like, it's nothing super special of an eye look, but I still think it's really pretty. I think it's gonna look even better with the Bad Gal Bang. I do have a full size of this thanks to one of you. Thank you, Savannah. So I am gonna throw the mini size here in a giveaway since I've already used the full size and everything. But I will show you what this looks like on my lashes. Or should I say bang? Oh, I forgot how amazing this looks on the lashes, right? It just makes them super duper volumized. It is very wet, so this mascara is not for people who do not like wet mascaras. And because it's wet, it does have a tendency to want to go clumpy, so you do have to be careful when using it for those purposes. But there you go. There is this little eye look here. I'm so conflicted on how I should do this review. Because I feel like maybe the lash serum I could do a separate video on, like showing you an actual 6 weeks use of it. Isn't that what it said? Yeah, 6 weeks supply. But I mean, this other stuff here, I can show you a snapshot at the end of the night tonight. I'll insert it here. But these are good, fun products. Although I will say this multi-stick from Bite is feeling a lot greasier than what I remember, so it looks like it's creasing already. So I actually don't have very high hopes for that to last very well into the night, but from what I remember of these Sephora liners, they are good. Benefit mascara is good. It's not my favorite. And then I'm excited about this little kitten glitter thing. I hope it lasts for a while. Do I think this box was worth 20 bucks? I mean, I'll have to see how I end up liking the eye cream, but I do like a good eye cream. I feel like my girl Jen from Jen Loves Reviews used to do this with some of her subscription boxes, where she would do, like, if she saw this box and she saw all the products laid out and she saw that it had a $20 price tag on it, would I pay 20 bucks for this box? I think I would pay 15. I think I would pay 15. So there you go. There's how I felt about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, there have been a couple of you who have wanted me to review this box. Let me know if you want like a follow-up video of when they do their live stream and all that stuff, and I definitely can. Otherwise, I think I'm just gonna leave it at this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more content from me in the future. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!